Hi, I'm Julia Carta and I'm here today with Cosmetify. I'm going to show you a quick and easy step-by-step makeup tutorial on how to make your skin look flawless with a beautiful foundation that's going to last all day. Step 1, cleanse. I'm going to use my favourite micellar water. It's Bioderma. I've used this on Fashion Week and all my celebrity clients. And what I love about this is it's great for all skin types. It's good for very, very sensitive skin. And what it does is it cleanses waterproof mascara, takes off any oils on the skin and really deep cleanses the pores to really prep and prime your skin ready for your makeup application. Step 2, tone. I'm loving the Pixi Go to Glow cleansing pads. What these actually do is they exfoliate the skin and they give your skin a beautiful red carpet glow. This is my secret go-to weapon on all my celebrity clients when I'm doing a red carpet look. And it's because it gives you an instant exfoliation and it's not hard or abrasive. It's got 5% glycolic acid in there, ginseng and aloe vera, so it leaves the skin feeling extremely calm and soothed. Step 3 is hydration. I love using Embryolisse Creme Concentrate. It's full of essential fatty acids and vitamins, so it's great for the skin. It's my go-to product with all my clients. I love it because it gives you a really beautiful hydrated feel to the skin, and it's wonderful for prepping the skin before you start your primers or your foundations. In order to get the perfect complexion, it's essential to use the correct beauty tools. I love using Beauty Blender Original. It's perfect for blending in moisturizers, primers, foundations and creams. A top tip is to always remember to prime your neck or moisturize your neck, because you always take your foundation down that low, so why not prime your neck? Step 4 is primer. I love using Maybelline New Baby Skin Primer. The reason why I love this one so much is because it's clear in consistency, which means it works beautifully on dark skin and doesn't leave a cloudy film on the skin. It gives you an airbrushed, flawless finish, and it fills in any open pores as well. So, as you can see, her skin has this blurred imperfection to it, and this is going to be a beautiful primer for her foundation to last all day. Step 5, foundation. I'm using Lancome Tint Miracle in shade Brownie. It's hydrating, it's very long wear, it lasts for 12 hours, it's extremely dewy on the skin, so it gives you a beautiful glow. It's formulated with pearlescent pigments, which is going to give you a bright, luminous complexion. I like to take a little bit extra foundation down the décolletage, because if you're wearing a low-cut top or a dress in the evening, it just gives you a beautiful, flawless skin. Step 6, concealer. I'm using the Laura Mercier SC No. 8 concealer in the darker shade. I'm just applying the concealer under the eyes to get rid of any shadows and around the crevice of the nose to get rid of any blemishes or anywhere else that you feel like you need to conceal. If you want to sheer your concealer down a little bit more, because this is quite a heavy coverage, you can use a tiny bit of the foundation in the same colour and mix it together and then apply. Step 7, Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder in shade Warm Chestnut. It's going to set the foundation to make it last longer all day, and it's giving her skin a beautiful velvet finish. Step 8, setting. I'm using Glam Glow Glow Setter Spray. Mist lightly over the face to set your foundation and powder. It gives you a gorgeous, dewy, radiant glow, and it's charged with green tea and caffeine. So there you go, guys, 8 simple steps to a glowing, flawless complexion.